As our inboxes get flooded with more and more messages, people need to find a way to cut through all that noise to work effectively. Cloud storage offers a great opportunity to organizations and individuals to be able to work in a more efficient and effective manner. The obvious benefit of cloud storage systems is the backup services. For individuals, that means the ability to store digital documents, photos, and files away from the possibility of your hard drive crashing. For business and enterprise users, cloud storage offers easy access to documents remotely and the ability for easier collaboration. One challenge faced by companies is often the control of a document. With many of these cloud-based services, it is easier for multiple people to work on the same document. Our group looked at 3 of the cloud services: Dropbox, Box, and Google Drive. Our team was Marina Ramallo, who researched Google Drive, Jacob Kaufman, who researched Box, and Sean Heppel, who researched Dropbox. Dropbox offers a cloud storage system with synchronization for files. Like a lot of software as a service models, Dropbox offers its users limited free experience, or for those users that need more, such as larger capacity for files, a paid service. Dropbox is widely available on a multitude of platforms for computers. It is usable with Windows, Mac operating systems, Linux operating systems, and web browsers to access the web application. On mobile, it is available on iOS for the iPhone and iPad, Android systems, Symbian, and BlackBerry OS. How Dropbox works is as follows. Users create special accounts, and they can specially name the folders on each of their computers that are using the service. Dropbox synchronizes the different folders, so from device to device, it appears to be the same folder with the same content. Users can access their documents in one of 3 ways: through a folder on the desktop where the document is stored, through Dropbox's website, or through the mobile applications. The advantages of Dropbox are it offers online access for all users, it has a free plan that provides a reasonable online storage, it has the ability to increase whenever capacity is required, and it is available across a broad spectrum of mobile devices. Dropbox does have some disadvantages. Conflicting copies are a common occurrence. Dropbox has security concerns. 2 people cannot edit the same file at the same time, and there are infrequent syncing issues. Another online file sharing and cloud content management service is Box. It is designed for enterprise users. Like most online companies, it is also a freemium service. Personal accounts can be had for free if the account is only up to 5 gigabytes. These free accounts can upload files up to 100 megabytes. Paid accounts and enterprise accounts offer their users more storage space, greater security, and encryption. Users can use Box on Apple and Windows for desktop computers. For mobile devices, Box is available on iOS platforms, Android, BlackBerry, and Windows Phone. Like its longer named sibling, users create an account and download the apps to the devices you want to synchronize. An automatic sync folder is created on the downloaded app. The synced documents can be accessed on Box's web app and the devices on which Box is installed. Box's advantages are that it can be synced across multiple devices. The services will log out a user if the user is logged in to another machine. When uploading files through the web service, users can add descriptions to files. Multiple users can view the files at the same time, and there is the ability to comment or assign tasks as collaborators view the same document. There are a number of integrated services with which one can use Box. Enterprise users can have custom branding, custom apps, and Salesforce.com integration. The disadvantages of Box in particular are that users cannot export files saved in its system to other formats. Users cannot move the folder on the computer Box uses for syncing. According to reviews, syncing is not as intuitive as it is with other cloud syncing services. Google Drive is the final document sharing and storage tool we looked at. Like the other services examined, Google Drive is a file storage and syncing tool. It offers cloud storage and collaborative editing with file sharing. Another freemium type service, the first 5 GB of storage are free. Google Drive users can have additional storage shared between Picasa, Google's photo sharing service, and Google Drive for paid users. Users can access Google Drive on Windows XP, Vista and 7, Macs OS X, Lion, and Snow Leopard, and web browsers. Soon users can access it on Linux. Mobile devices including Android phones and tablets, iPhones and iPads on iOS 5.0 and above. It is not available on BlackBerry. How it works is users create documents through Google Docs and import them through a web interface or send them through email. On a user's local computer, the documents can be saved in a variety of formats. They can be shared, edited, and opened by several users at the same time. To prevent data loss, the docs are saved to Google servers and a revision history is automatically kept so past edits can be viewed. Documents can be tagged and archived for organizational purposes. The world's biggest search engine company's cloud storage system offers its users a good amount of storage for free, and its paid version is cheaper than Dropbox and Box. Users can link all their Google accounts, including Docs and Picasa. As one may expect from the company that is best known for its search engine, Google Docs offers great search capability and it is very integrated. It can be a bit confusing at first for users, and it is not nearly as intuitive as Dropbox are Google Drive's biggest disadvantages. Cloud storage and syncing services offer their users a great way to cut back on inbox clutter, and some of the services offer the ability to collaborate at the same time. For users who want to incorporate cloud storage, it is best to research each one and find the service that best meets that user's needs. Other resources, we used Camtasia to record what is happening on your computer screen right now. These are the references for Dropbox, the references for Box, the references for Google Drive.